Alright guys, so today we have Kia Sorento and I recently ordered the Carlinkit 5.0. This is the latest version of Carlinkit. Just gonna put that in the USB port that we already have. Now what this one's supposed to do is, instead of having your Android Auto or the Apple CarPlay via the wire, it should be able to do it via Wi-Fi, which is a wireless connection. So let's see if it works, and if it works, and how's the quality, and does it lose any signal or something. Let's have a look. Let's give it a go and see how it performs. Alright, so once you have your Carlinkit connected, it uses a Bluetooth to search, and then once that search is complete, the light on this thing goes green. So initially it's red, but once it's connected it goes green. During the operation it's blue. So once it's all connected, it looks like once it's all green, you got to go back to your screen on Kia Sorento, press the press the menus button, and then search for Android Auto as I showed before. If you click the Android Auto, this one will show up. Now I think from here I can then use my YouTube, or I can just use my maps from here. Now if I want to try search here, I guess I could just go Wilson Parking or whatever it is, and then it'll write it to that place. Perfect. Works great. Thanks for watching.